Hey, what's up guys, this is VG, and so on today I'm going to make the other main things for this ping pong game. Means, like, you can see that the when the ball is touching the paddle, it's not bouncing from the paddle. So for that I'm going to make, and also I'm going to add a score variable right here, and also I'm going to uh, uh, I am going to make if the ball is touching here, so it should change. I mean, it should stop all, and uh, you lose, like this should be appeared here. So let's make. So first of all, we have to make that ball should bounce from the paddle like this, and it should be free afterwards, like this. Okay, so for that I'm going to do is just take an if, and then take an and from the operators, and then if it's touching, take touching paddle, and if its direction is equal to it should be like minus 135. So just take it the direction from the motion category blocks, and then you have to do it, then it should it should point into the take this point, it should point into the it should point negative 45 direction. And so just duplicate this set of blocks and put it downside, and then instead of minus 135 it should be 135. Just backspace, and here also instead of 45 it should be only 45. So now let's see. Okay, now it's working. So like there is an angle like this, it goes pretty cool. And then next we have to next of all we have to it should like here should be a score variable. So for that, go to the data category, create score, two dots. Okay, and also I'm going to okay, just put this change score by one here, and first of all it should set score to 0 when the game started. So like this it's working. Nice. When we restart the game like this, so you can see that the score is becoming 0. So next of all we have to, like, it's if it's the X position is here, then it should right here or much down here. Okay, so it should tell you lose right here. It would be appear a text cost a text sprite, means you lose. Okay, just click on this paint new sprite button, uh, just wait, click on this. So this is our third sprite. Let me rename it. Now its name should be you lose. Click on enter. Okay, and it don't need of you lose means name. No, it's not related to the name. Okay, leave it. Now take this text, and font should be scratch. From here you can choose the font, and then just right here U Y O U, and write in capital letters everything. I mean type in capital YOULOSA. Loops. So next, its color is like black. Let's make it red. And so now put it in the middle and make its size much larger like this, and put it in the middle. Okay, just using this plus sign you can put it. Okay, and so now it should broadcast a message like, first of all it should stop all. I mean, just take this. If just put it over here. If the y position is smaller than minus 1 minus 151, so then it should stop all. Just take this y position block, yeah, like this. Here, put it over here, and so it should stop all. Let's see. Here we go. See, it stops all, but it's really so not this much. Also y position, it should be this much, should be negative 156 minus 156. So now you can see that it's touching the edge, means it's looking like it's touching the edge, but it's checking its y position using this block. Is it really that much or not? And so next of all we have to do is, it should broadcast a message like, go to the events, broadcast a message, click on new message. It should be you lose. Okay, you lose. Okay, here we go. And then it should be for this sprite. So when I receive you lose, then it should go to x0 and y also 0. Just wait. Okay, and then it should be showed like this using this block. And then first of all in the game you can do it should broadcast another message, which is you hide. And then it should do is, it should when I receive you hide, then it should be hidden. Okay, and so now let's see, is it working? So it being hidden like right now, because it broadcast a message, the ball broadcast a message, you hide. So now let's see, just I have to do like, okay, there we go. Okay, and also we can do some more, like go to the stage. We can make our own custom scoreboard, I mean our score displayer. Click on the text, select color black, click it over here, score, and two dots like this. Let's make its font this normal font. Okay, and then put it over here. Okay, and then next, just a minute. Okay, take this score variable and make its readout larger like this. Just click on this large readout, right click on it and click on right large readout. Okay, now it's really looking cool. Let's see. Okay, so now it's working. Okay, so it's really good. Just take it like it should be on the first layer, this ball. Okay, let's see, it's working really. Okay, so this was the part 2 of this, means the last part of this ping pong game. Share, like, subscribe my channel, and see you guys in the next time. Bye bye.